Ocean meditation. You're invited to settle into your posture. Let go of worries and concerns. Come into the moment. And imagine you're hovering above a large and expansive, never-ending ocean. You're just hovering there. And if you're not a visual type, imagine that you are there. But if you're a visual type, imagine that you're seeing a sunset off into the distance of this wide and expansive ocean that seems to go in all directions infinitely. You're seeing a sunset, and it's rich with colors: orange, yellow, purple, blue, awash with colors both in the sky and in the ocean reflected. And tune into those colors as if you can feel them. Feel the differences between the various colors. Tuning into the red, tuning into the orange, the blues and the purples, and the range of colors that are awash and painted on the sky and the ocean. Feel into them. And now you're invited to let your awareness or your attention drift down towards the ocean and see waves moving across the ocean. On and on, waves across the ocean. And get close to these waves. As you get closer, you realize you're one of these waves. This body, mind, what you call yourself, is one of these waves, moving across the ocean, experiencing your body and your mind as a wave. One wave, changing dynamically, moving on. And get a sense of what it's like to be that wave. The changes, the ebbs and flows, the ups and downs. Embodying the wave as it lives its life. And let your awareness now sink from the surface wave into the depths of the oceans. And that sense of a separate wave moving across an ocean starts to fall away. And rather than being a wave, one realizes one is just a part of this interconnected, dynamic, expansive ocean. And you're invited to let go of that sense of the concept of separateness, to become the ocean, infinite, ever changing, moving, boundless. Within that ocean, all the waves are just arising and passing. And the dynamic change and formations and changes of this ocean are a constant. Being an ocean is like the interconnected whole.